Yeah, man, touching back on a windy, cozy day, you know, in the front yard, y'all know what it is. Gonna go to my pod, back to, where I stay at, y'all know what it is. Just being creative, you know, my creative spiritual side, See the background is pretty good, pretty good setting, my tool making dad, You always have that other extra tool. Yeah, man, touch it right. Gotta learn it, man. I almost tripped over that road right there. See how it's coming out? Yeah, man. Hey, man, gotta be careful. Yeah, man. God bless me, bro. Could have died today in the middle of the desert. Nobody would have known. Wind all blowing hard. Man, it's a cozy day. Mass, bro. Y'all know what it is. Mass all day. Bottom of the sixth inning with the Mets.